Brezza diesel periodic service. Callmechanic. Headlight and tail light inspection. Engine inspection. Service work start. Front brake cleaning. Front calipers greasing. Wiper fluid replacement. Cabin filter replacement. Oil filter replacement. Map sensor cleaning. Bonnet and all door greasing. Rear brake cleaning. Diesel filter replacement. Battery terminal coating. Engine oil replacement. Air filter replacement. Engine deep cleaning. Service record sticker. Car washing. Car service complete. To watch more, subscribe, like, share. Callmechanic.